Welcome back. You're still watching the Editors Roundtable on CNBC-TV18. Now we are going to talk about how the FPI flows into India have been substantial in the year so far, and not only standalone, but if you compare it to a lot of our Asian peers as well. India this year has got almost $13 billion worth of FPI inflows up until now, since January of this year, and this compares to about much less for some of its peers like Taiwan, and there's been outflows for markets like Philippines as well. For India particularly, it's the biggest buying that we've seen since December of 2020, and we don't have the data for China, but the other markets show us that India has got a disproportionate amount. So let's get it on board. India has seen almost 13 billion, like I said. This compares to markets like South Korea and Taiwan getting just about $9 to $9.5 billion worth of money. If you look at some of the other markets like Philippines, there's actually been an outflow of funds this year. To the tune of almost about $430 million, while for Thailand, the outflow has been about $3.5 billion. Now, as we know, the macro situation for India has definitely improved, and that could be one of the reasons why FPIs are putting in money thick and fast. Remember, rating agency Fitch recently raised their GDP forecast as well. GST collections have been very strong. The sentiment indicators like auto sales, cement sales have also picked up. But another important reason why India has been gaining is because despite the rally, the valuations are not looking that expensive. The market valuations are in line with historical averages at around 19 to 20 times. To be precise, the numbers Nifty 1 year forward trading at 18.75 times versus a 10-year average of 17.5 times. So still not that expensive. But there are some risks that we have to put on the table. The investor sentiment now is in an extremely bullish zone. So CLSA put out a note this week where they said that the India Bull Bear Index has jumped to 92% bullish after the 15% rally that the Nifty has seen in the last 4 months. So Pankaj, my question to you is this on the valuation